Ready to dive into the battle of cutting-edge tech? Today, we're pitting the sleek Motorola Edge 70 against the powerhouse Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Which phone nails the perfect display with vibrant colors and sharp resolution? How do their chipsets stack up in raw power and efficiency? What about camera performance? Does the 200-megapixel sensor on the Galaxy S25 Edge outshine Motorola's versatile dual-lens setup? Battery life and build quality also come into play. Can the bigger battery on the Edge 70 keep you going longer? Or does Samsung's premium materials win your heart? And finally, is the Galaxy's price tag justified, or does the Edge 70 offer better bang for your buck? Stick around as we answer these burning questions and reveal which flagship truly rules. So which one deserves your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Both phones sport a 6.7-inch screen, but the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge edges out slightly with a larger display area and a higher 92.1% screen-to-body ratio, offering a more immersive viewing experience. The Galaxy's LTPO AMOLED 2X panel delivers a stunning 1440 by 3120 resolution at 513 ppi, noticeably sharper than Motorola's 1220 by 2712 at 446 ppi. Samsung also boasts a tougher Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 with Mohs Level 5 hardness, making it more resistant to scratches compared to Motorola's Gorilla Glass 7i with Mohs Level 4. Both support 120Hz refresh rates and HDR10+, but Samsung's display tech and durability give it the edge for those craving premium visuals and resilience. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge packs the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset built on an ultra-efficient 3nm process, delivering blistering performance with its 2x 4.47 GHz Orion V2 Phoenix cores. Meanwhile, Motorola Edge 70 runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 at 4nm, which is powerful but clearly a step below in raw CPU muscle. The Galaxy's Adreno 830 GPU also outperforms Motorola's Adreno 722, making it a better pick for gaming and heavy multitasking. If sheer power and future-proofing matter most, Samsung takes the crown here. Motorola impresses with AI-powered battery optimization, a super slim 6mm profile, and a smart AI shortcut button integrated into Hello UI, enhancing user experience and efficiency. Samsung counters with vapor chamber cooling for sustained performance. Galaxy AI tools like Nowbar and Drawing Assist for productivity, plus an audio AI eraser that cleans up background noise during calls. Both pack standout features, but Samsung's trio of cooling, AI tools, and audio enhancements push it slightly ahead for tech enthusiasts craving innovation. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge dominates with a colossal 200-megapixel main sensor, featuring OIS and PDAF, capable of shooting breathtaking 8K video at 30 frames per second. Motorola's Edge 70 has a solid 50-megapixel wide lens with OIS and PDAF, plus a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, but the Galaxy's resolution and video capabilities clearly set a new benchmark for mobile photography and videography. Motorola offers AI auto scene detection and night vision mode to enhance shots in challenging conditions, plus autofocus tracking for dynamic subjects. Samsung steps up with high brightness in low light, 2x optical quality zoom, and a pro visual engine with AI zoom, delivering sharper, brighter images and versatile shooting options. Samsung's camera features cater more to photography enthusiasts seeking professional-grade shots. Motorola Edge 70 boasts a larger 4800 mAh battery, promising longer usage on a single charge compared to Samsung's 3900 mAh. If battery longevity is your priority, Motorola might keep you unplugged for more hours, despite Samsung's other hardware advantages. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge flaunts a premium build with Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 front, Gorilla Victus 2 glass back, and a titanium frame, offering superior durability and a luxe feel. Motorola uses Gorilla Glass 7i on the front, but opts for a plastic back and frame, which is less premium but may reduce weight. For those valuing top-tier materia, LS and sturdiness, Samsung leads. Motorola's Edge 70 is MILA-TD 810H compliant and rated IP68, IP69 for dust and water resistance, meaning it can handle high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Samsung also offers IP68 water resistance, but lacks the MILA-TD rating and higher water jet protection. Motorola's ruggedness credentials give it an edge for durability seekers. Both phones offer identical memory options, 256 GB or 512 GB, paired with 12 GB RAM, so storage and multitasking capabilities are on par, leaving the choice to other factors. Price-wise, Motorola Edge 70 is more affordable at around $900 plus, while Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge commands a premium price north of $1,099. The question remains, does Samsung's superior specs justify the higher cost? Or is Motorola the smarter buy for value?